Hello friends, I'm Dr. Ashok Bankar. I welcome you on my YouTube channel Health, Fitness and Education. I request you all to subscribe my channel if you yet not subscribed. Today, I will share you the information regarding recruitment of scientists at Agarkar Research Institute, that is ARI. It is an autonomous institute of Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. So, there are different positions in the Agarkar Research Institute. I will show you the table. Here you can see that there are different 8 positions of scientists. Applications are invited from Indian citizens for filling up about 8 different positions of scientists on direct recruitment basis. All these positions are permanent. Here you can see the details of these positions. Here you can see number 1, scientist E. It is open to all for the general category. Serial number 2, scientist C. It is open for all general category. Number 3, scientist B. Almost there are 6 positions, one for general category, one for SC category, one for ST category, one for OBC category, and 2 for EWS. That is economical weak section. Let us see for scientist E what is the requirement. Here you can see the pay scale of the scientist E. It is level 13 and total number of vacancy is 1. Nature of post is a permanent. I will tell you about the educational qualifications in short. So the requirement for the scientist E is from the discipline bioenergy. For that you should have first class in your masters either in microbiology or biotechnology or equivalent qualification from a recognized university. 10 years of R&D experience in the required area as evidenced by the publication in Journal of Repute after obtaining the academic degree. Then another name of post is a scientist C. Pay scale that is level 11. Total number of vacancy 1. Nature of post again permanent. Discipline is biodiversity and paleobiology. It is requirement. So you should, in educational qualification, you should have the first class degree in botany or mycology or plant pathology or life sciences or equivalent qualification from recognized university. 4 years of R&D experience in the required area and evidenced by the publication in Journal of Repute after obtaining the academic degree. Third post is that is a scientist B. Again, it is a 1110. Here you can see that the total number of vacancies is 5. So the nature of post is again permanent. Let us see the discipline. So discipline for this post is again bioenergy. For that you should have first class in microbiology or biotechnology or equivalent qualification from a recognized university. Then second discipline is again biodiversity and paleobiology. Uh, for that you should have the first class degree in botany or mycology or biotechnology or life sciences or equivalent qualification from a recognized university. Third discipline is bioprospecting. First class masters in degree in chemistry, biochemistry or equivalent qualification from a recognized university. Then fourth one is biodiversity and paleobiology. For that the qualification year first class master's degree in geology or equivalent qualification from a recognized university. Following is the desirable qualification. Next post is scientist B. Scale of pay is level 10. Total number of vacancy 1. Nature of post it is a temporary and co-terminus with the ICAR project. So this post is under the project ICAR. For that this comes under the discipline genetics and plant breeding under ICAR, All India Coordinated Soybean Improvement Project at Experimental Farm at Hole and Songaon, Taluka Baramati, District Pune. So we'll see the qualification for this. First class master degree with specialization in genetics and plant breeding in agriculture or botany or equivalent qualification from a recognized university. So friends, in this way, there are different scientist positions. Let's see the age limit. Upper age limit for direct recruitment shall be 35 years in case of scientist B, and 40 years for scientist C, and 45 years for the scientist E on the closing date of receipt of applications. So upper age limit is relaxable for the government servant up to 5 years in accordance with the order issued by the central government. In any other relaxation in age shall be in accordance with orders issued by the central government from time to time. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, any queries, you can put comments and I will answer all the comments. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for the further notification for different scholarships, advertisement and health related videos. Thank you very much.